Blue Tractor presents Trash and Recycling. So this morning, Truck called me, and guess what? He was assigned a grown-up job to do. To take trash out to the dump.
Oh, wow! He is probably really proud and excited.
Yeah! I could tell he was excited even over the phone.
Hey, here's Paver.
Hello, Paver.
Hi there.
Hello, hello. By the way, Truck is on his way here, carrying trash.
That's a surprise. I wonder if he's confused. 'Cause this is a playground, not a dump. Beep, 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 beep.
Hello there, dear Truck. Do you think maybe you're in the wrong place?
Exactly.
Hi there, Truck. I thought the city dump would be outside the city.
No! I did not mix anything up. Those who throw away the trash are the ones who mixed everything up by putting it all in one container. They were supposed to sort it first.
To sort it? What do you mean?
Yes. What do you mean?
Oh, I think I know. But I'll let Truck explain.
If you happen to have different types of trash bins, one bin for paper, another for glass, and a third for plastic, then please do your duty. Sort your trash.
But why?
It's because afterwards, they will take all the plastic bottles to the special plastic factory and will make new bottles out of them. Or something else, maybe. And they will take all the glass stuff to the glass factory and will make new jars and bottles.
Ah, I get it. And they will take all the old paper to the paper factory.
To the special recycling center.
A bicycle cycling center?
Recycling center to make new paper.
Amazing.
Yes, because it will save many, many trees in the forest.
I know about that. They make paper out of trees. They make it out of wood.
Do you understand now why we have to sort the trash?
I understand.
Me too. I understand it too.
That's why I brought the trash here, so you could help me sort it all in different piles. Glass in one pile, plastic in another pile.
We will help you with pleasure.
Of course we will help you.
Hurry up and unload it already.
There. Carefully step aside, please. Here we go.
We're gonna put the glass here. This goes here.
And paper will go here.
In that case, we'll have plastic bottles here.
And what do you think this is? It's not made out of paper, out of plastic, or out of glass.
It's made out of metal.
That's right. We need to make a fourth pile of things out of metal.
Take a look at what I just found. It's a banana peel. In which pile should I put it?
That's regular trash. It's organic. We don't have to recycle it, and some people compost it.
But what do we do with this banana peel right now? In which pile does the banana peel go?
For now, we will put it in a separate pile. I will take it away and put it in a special container.
This is plastic. Let's put it here.
Look what I found! I found an apple core. We will put it next to the banana peel.
Hey, Paver, could you do me a favor?
My dear Truck, you are my friend. You can ask me anything.
We need to flatten out all the plastic bottles. This way, they're going to take up a lot less space in the recycling bin. Then we'll be able to fit a lot of them in there.
Oh, I also want to flatten the bottles.
This will be fun.
Sprinkler, why don't you flatten the metal cans? They seem to be smaller. And I will do this one.
We're all doing a great job! Hey, Blue Tractor, can you help me load the paper into my truck bed? I'll take it to the recycling bin.
Of course, drive over. And it's done.
We'll put this thing into this pile.
There, and now plastic.
It's done! It's sad that you and I don't have truck beds. Then we could carry the recycling too. What kind of recyclables do you like the most?
I like plastic. Maybe metal. No, plastic. Plastic makes really funny noises when I flatten it. Although metal is also amazing.
You guys did a great job! Blue Tractor and I will haul away all the glass and metal. Tractor, let's load you up.
Can we see where you guys are taking all of the recycling?
Of course! It's not that far from here.
Excellent!
Now, I will always separate trash from recycling.
It's actually quite fun to separate trash from recycling. What do you think? See you later!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Tug of war.
Hi there, Blue Tractor.
Hello!
Hi there! I see you're up to something.
Come on, tell us what you're up to.
I'm not up to anything. Although, look what I found here.
What is this?
Oh yeah, what is this?
It looks like a chain. Look here.
Oh yeah, of course it's a chain.
I thought so too.
It's not true, Truck. I thought it was a chain first.
That's not true. I was the first to think it, but you were the first to say it.
Quit fighting, guys. Let's figure out how to play with this chain instead.
Okay. Sprinkler, any ideas?
But why are you asking me?
It seems like you're the first one to think of everything. So come on, tell us your ideas.
Well, I think,
I have an idea. Sprinkler, ready to give up?
No. I think I have an idea. With this chain, we can jump a lot, like jumping rope.
Jump rope? Why don't we try it?
Let's do it. Truck and I will turn the rope, chain, and you, Sprinkler, will jump.
Awesome! Come on, let's play. How awesome! I had a great idea. Up. Oh, what's wrong? Are you tired?
Jumping isn't fun at all. I think I have a better idea.
Come on, then. Tell us your idea.
The rules are simple. Blue Tractor, you pull at one end, and I at the other. The one who pulls stronger, that person wins.
And what am I supposed to do?
Girls don't play this kind of game. They take a break.
You take a break. I want to play too.
But I like this game. You came up with a great idea, Truck. But you can play too. You can be the judge.
I can be what? A judge? How do I do it?
Well, at first, you will tell us what to do. 1, 2, 3, pull! And second, you will make sure that we're following the rules.
Yeah, you'll watch us and boss us around. I know you'll like it.
Sounds good to me. In order for us to understand who wins, we need to draw a line in the middle. Like this. Look here. The chain length to the right of the line is the same as to the left. The one who pulls more of the chain to their side wins. Do you get it?
We get it. This is a really great idea, Sprinkler. This is awesome.
Of course I understand it. It's super easy.
Let's get ready. 1, 2, 3, pull!
Come on.
I said stop! You're breaking the rules! I'm the judge! I'm telling you to stop!
But what happened? I was so close to winning.
It depends on how you look at it. I was getting ready to switch gears and pull even harder.
No more arguing! Truck broke the game rules by pressing the brake pedal.
What? There's no rule like this.
That's right, there's no such rule. We never discussed a rule like this.
We should have. You're always in a hurry.
Okay. Why don't we discuss all the rules? And it's the right thing to do, right, friends?
Here's the first rule. Don't use your brakes.
Okay. I won't use brakes. What else?
What else? This was the first and only rule. Please come stand here in the middle. Hey, Blue Tractor, please step back a little. And you, Truck, a little bit forward. A little bit more. There, stop. Everybody, get ready. 1, 2, 3, pull!
Whoa!
Stop! You guys broke the rules again. I can't judge your competition if you keep breaking the rules.
But what rules did we break? We only had one rule, not to use our brakes. And we didn't use them.
That's right. What rules did we break?
You broke the chain rule. That's what you did.
The chain rule?
You mean we broke the chain?
Don't argue with the judge. So what if I said that you broke the chain rule?
Why is she being so annoying?
I can hear you. You got the chain all tangled and twisted. And then you broke it. How am I going to judge your competition?
My suggestion is to stop doing the competition. I almost ran into the slide. And I almost broke the slide rule.
This was really funny, Blue Tractor. And I almost broke the tree rule.
If I hadn't quickly turned, I would have destroyed the slide.
And if I hadn't used my brakes, I'd have destroyed my hood.
I've had enough of this tug of war.
Yup, same here. So, what game are we gonna play now?
Why don't you guys fix the chain and let's jump rope?
Sounds good to me. Let's give it a try. Are you ready?
We'll start on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Magnet.
Oh, wow! Blue Tractor, what is it? And where did you get it?
Hey, Truck, remember I told you, this is a magnet. There is a car dump, a wrecking yard nearby, and I need this magnet to move cars from one place to another.
Why do you need to move them from one place to another?
I don't know. Maybe it's a game they're playing.
What happens if I get pulled and get stuck to the magnet? Will it hurt?
Probably not, but we probably shouldn't try it, just in case.
What are they going to do at the wrecking yard without their magnet? Since you took it and everything.
Oh yeah! What a great question! What?
Today is their day off, so they let me use it for a while. We will play, and then I'll take the magnet back.
We can play? But how?
What a great question! But how are we gonna play?
Well, I haven't thought about it, but maybe we can look for something hidden underground. Something like a treasure.
Aha! A wonderful idea! Let's do it!
Yes! Let's do it, Blue Tractor! Search for treasure!
Let's see.
To the right? No, not there. A little further.
Nothing there yet. What about here? There.
Where are you going?
And now here.
Oh, yes, found it!
What did you find? What is it?
Well, how would I know? We have to dig.
I can't dig.
And I also can't dig. But you can, Blue Tractor.
We are playing a really weird game. Blue Tractor, you search. Blue Tractor, you dig. And what do you guys do?
You're the one who suggested this game.
Nobody asked you to suggest this game.
Yes, nobody magnetized you to do it.
That's right.
Okay, let's look here. What is this? Oh, cool.
Quite a treasure.
But maybe it's gold?
No, not gold. I think maybe we are playing a dangerous game.
What do you mean we? You are the one that came up with this game and brought the magnet here.
But we were happy to play it, and I saw you jumping for joy.
Me? It was you jumping for joy.
Oh yeah, you did. You were excited. But let's not fight. We need to fill in the hole. But why is this game dangerous, Blue Tractor?
But what if I accidentally dug up a water pipe?
It would be so funny. Then we would have a real fountain on our playground. Cool.
Sure, cool. Then the whole neighborhood wouldn't have water. I think I have an idea for a better game. Why don't we check everything around to see what's magnetic and what's not?
I think I'm magnetic, but I don't want to play.
And I'm magnetic, and I don't want to play.
I didn't mean you. What about the slide? Is it magnetic? So, let's see. Yep, magnetic. Let's see if the swing is magnetic.
Another dangerous game, I see.
Come on, help me out.
All right, then. Hold the cable. 1, 2, 3, pull! I don't have enough strength. Hey, Sprinkler, come on, help out.
And so Blue Tractor asked Truck to help. They're pulling and pulling, but they can't pull it out.
Exactly.
And so then Truck called Sprinkler to help out. Ready, steady, and pull.
They're pulling and pulling, but can't pull it out. Who can we ask for help now?
And just like in the fairy tale, here comes Paver. Paver! Come help us out!
With Paver's help, we will definitely pull off the magnet.
Right out of the ground along with the slide.
Oh, hello. Why are you guys lined up here like this?
Well, I brought this magnet from the wrecking yard to play. And we wanted to check everything on our playground to see if they're magnetic.
And did you check?
We were only able to check the slide.
This slide is magnetic.
It is very magnetic, if I might add. Could you please help us pull it off?
When they gave you this magnet at the wrecking yard, were you paying attention to the instructions?
I'm not sure. It was really noisy there, lots of bulldozers and dump trucks. But why?
The thing is, my friend, your magnet is not a simple one.
Is it a golden one?
Your magnet is an electric magnet. An electromagnet for short.
What does that mean?
If you unhook the cable from the magnet, the electricity won't pass through it. Then the magnet won't magnetize and will get unstuck from the slide on its own.
Electricity, electromagnets. How do you know about all this stuff, Paver?
Electricity? Everybody knows about it. How would we even have our headlights without it?
Why don't we check turning it off?
Hooray!
Blue Tractor, you managed to miss the most important part. morning.
Thanks so much, Paver. You're amazing.
You're welcome.
And now, take a look here. The sandbox isn't magnetic.
But did you remember to turn it on?
Of course I did. Okay. But the carousel is magnetic. It isn't magnetic. Oh, but this is magnetic. Nope. Yes. And this is magnetic. And this isn't. Yes, this is on.
Tractor, you should probably keep working at the junkyard.
Oh, it's magnetic.
Treasure. Hi there, friends! Today I came up with a really interesting game. Let's search for treasure.
Hooray! I really like searching for things, and I like treasures more than anything else.
What? Is there treasure here? Not yet there isn't, but that's the whole point of the game. This little cube will be our treasure. One of us will go off and hide it, and everyone else will go and look. Whoever finds it will be the winner.
Let's do it! Let's do it! Can I be the first one to hide the treasure?
Hey, no way, Sprinkler. I want to hide the treasure. Let's not fight. Let's just have a little counting game so it will be honest. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Yeah, okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo? I'm gonna be the treasure hider.
No, I don't agree. I want to count a different way, and whoever I end on will be the one to hide the cube. Oh, I mean treasure.
Well, okay. Do you agree with her, Truck? Of course. We always give in to Sprinkler, don't we? Well, maybe not always, but often. And that's right, because we need to let girls go first.
The little turtle squeezed her tail and ran after the bunny. Then in the end she did prevail, and boy did it look funny!
Don't get upset. It's way more fun to search for treasure than to hide. Go to that far corner over there, turn around, and wait till I shout, "Ready!" Don't you dare peek at me! There! What a perfect spot to hide my little treasure! I'm ready! I'm ready!
Let's go search for the treasure!
Okay, all right. Nothing here or here. Okay.
Not here.
There's nothing here either.
And not here. I got it! The treasure is mine!
Sprinkler, since you were the first one to find the treasure, it's your turn to hide. Let's get going, Truck.
Just don't look in your side view mirrors or anything.
Okay. Turn around.
I'm ready.
Well now, Blue Tractor, we have looked everywhere. Only the sandbox is left. Well, I don't see any traces in the sand. Maybe it's not here?
Not here.
If Sprinkler's saying not here, that means it's definitely here. Come on, Tractor, dig.
I told you that it wasn't here.
I said it was here. Which one of us was right? Sprinkler just tried to be clever with us. She wanted to distract us from the sandbox. Yeah, now it's my turn to hide. I'm ready.
Not here.
And not here.
It's not under the seesaw.
Not in the sandbox either. Well, do you give up?
I give up.
Tractors never give up. It seems like you've won, Truck. Now tell us, where you hid the treasure? Well, look how I tricked you both, huh?
That isn't fair. He hid it on himself.
If you ask me, it's all fair. After all, we didn't say in advance where you can't hide it, so our truck is a real champ. Beep, beep. Hooray! I'm the winner!
Well, fine then. I have to go home already anyways.
Wait up now, Sprinkler. We have to clean up after ourselves. All that sand that I dug out here.
Of course, Blue Tractor. Let's get going.
Yes, together we'll do it really fast indeed. I hope that you also clean up after yourself when you play. That's great. Bowling. Ha! Whoa! What? Yeah! What? Ha! Hi there, friends! Can I be the one to suggest a game today? Well, sure you can, Truck. Just go ahead. We're all ears.
What game is it, Truck?
A very interesting one. It's called bowling.
Oh, I know what kind of game that is. I watched a cartoon where a big ball knocked over funny bottles.
Those aren't bottles, Sprinkler. Those things are called bowling pins.
Well, let's call them pins. We still don't have any. How are we going to play?
I figured it out already. We're going to make them out of sand with special molds. Let's go! Out of sand? I'm really curious to see what will happen.
It'll be great! It'll be great! This mold right here looks like a bottle.
Like a pin. That's exactly what I was thinking. For starters, we're gonna make 3 bottles. No, 3 pins.
Just one bowling pin per vehicle.
Okay, who will throw the ball first? I think it'll be Sprinkler. Girls go first.
Don't let me go first, guys. Our friend Truck should throw the ball first. He came up with the game. That's only fair.
I'm not opposed, but you go second.
And I'm not opposed.
Just wait.
You missed it. Watch how to do it.
Let's just see how well you throw the ball now.
Go. Just a little bit more. And hit.
Not too bad. If you ask me, that wasn't good at all.
I agree. In the cartoon, one bowling pin flew off and knocked over the others.
Because real bowling pins are hard and don't fall apart when you hit them. But our pins are made of sand. Oh, well. And I wanted to amuse you guys with a new game.
But you did amuse us. We will play sand bowling instead. I will throw one more time, and whoever hits the most is the winner.
And if you miss it, the next vehicle goes. What a great game! You think? Well, of course. Why would we try to trick you? Go ahead, Sprinkler.
Oh. Just a little more. Oh. I know I missed the pins, so don't you go and make fun of me.
But I wasn't planning on it. Go ahead, Blue Tractor. But first, you have to fix the first pin. Going for the strike now. Yeah! Got it! One more time. All right. Ha!
Well, there. You went and beat me.
Don't worry about it. The next time, you'll knock more pins down. I don't mind at all. Here we go again. Yeah! I did it! Let's start the game from the beginning.
I don't want to do that. If the bowling pins had been hard, then when I hit the first one, it would have knocked all the others over. But this isn't interesting.
Well, there. I told you guys it wasn't interesting. You say it's not interesting? Well then, you just wait for me here. Oh, wow! Would you look at that? I remembered that our friend Construction Crane had real bowling pins sitting in his garage. I asked to borrow them for a while.
Hooray! Now I'm going to beat you all. Can I go first?
I'm not opposed. And I'm not opposed.
Right? I really have to aim well this time. And... well, there. Missed it.
I'm sorry, Sprinkler, but I just can't hold back. Missed it. Why do you have to be mean, Truck? It was just a test throw. It doesn't count in the end. Now Sprinkler will line herself up and take a real shot. Let's go. Test throw? Well, okay then. Come on now, Sprinkler. You'll hit all the pins this time.
Hooray! Hooray, hooray, hooray! Sprinkler is the winner!
That's not what we agreed upon. That isn't fair.
If we didn't agree on it, that means it's fair. I'm the winner! I'm the winner!
You know, Sprinkler's right, buddy. After all, we didn't say that you could only hit the pins with the ball. And in any game, you have to talk about all the rules at the beginning. That way, everything will be fair. Let's agree to hit the pins with the bowling ball. Otherwise, it's not bowling.
That is fine. I wanted to joke around. I wanted to make you laugh a little.